We'll take that. I mean, with the amount of results that we're getting so far, look at the performance. Obviously, besides the ownership, in terms of Clear Lake and Todd Bowley and Iqbali, there's no organization. There's no form of organized in terms of financially. They spend what, a billion? People say £1 billion+ over the transfer. Players coming in are not proper players in terms of like the quality that we have. We're signing overpriced players, right? The formation that we have, we should have kept Maresca in there at least through the whole season. A captain without a ship. It's like halfway you bring Racinia, 3 months down the road, he's gone. He's happy he got his $4 million. Now you got the interim now just for until the end of the season. It's something that, hey, coming in Anfield away, I'll take the results over, 5-6 games without a win. And 1 goal with João Pedro, the decision. At the end of the day, the players are on the pitch. You got 11 players on there, depending on how they play. You could have a formation, but at the same time, there also is how they execute it.